Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I appreciate you giving me just a portion of your day so we can talk about the 25-day Advent box from Lynn over at Soft Squares. So far everything has been pretty amazing. I have been very happy. Yesterday we opened up just white fabric, but guys, when you need blenders basics and all that, a couple of yards of just white fabric works, right? It's what we need. But I'm also thinking we may have a project coming up that she had already planned some of those things for us, so we'll see. But today we are on day 12, and let's not just rattle on, let's jump in and see what Lynn has brought for us. Come on. All right. And so day 12. Interesting. Let me make sure nothing else is in here. This comes with a mini charm pack. This one says, all right, let's break into this baby and see what's in here. I want to get the note out. So she put the note inside this packet. Let's drop down and say, day 12, this fabric line is called Sun Bonnet, and it is a real treat to see all the soft colors and florals. The designer has made this fun mini pattern just for use with this fabric. Panels and yardage are available for larger projects at softsquares.com. And so, how cool is that? So, this is very specific. It is called Sun Bonnet by Heather Briggs of My Sew Quilty Life. And look how cute that fabric is. I have to say, I like the peaches, the greens. I do like some of those different colors and fabric combinations when you get them together. Look at this with the blues and the peaches in the back. So, guys, because it's a mini pack, I'm not going to open it and do it that way. But we also got yet another pattern, and this pattern, she says, is designed specifically for this. It's Love Me Mini, so it's very mini charm friendly. And look how cute that pattern is. So I am pretty excited. I actually have quite a few minis because I bought them a while back when I was doing the tote bags, and can't think of the name of the tote bags now, the mini bags. And so I had bought quite a selection of mini charm packs, but now I have these. She talks about fabric requirements. So overall, this turns out to be 19 and a half inches by 19 and a half inches, which is really just a nice size. And then she talks about the amount of fabric that you need. You need one charm pack and prints in order to do that. And I'm going to let you see the back of it so you see some of the fabric requirements in that. But you can also see, you can go to softsquares.com and grab this pattern in mini charm packs in that as well. If not, if you decide to do this pattern or look at doing something even more. So I always appreciate and enjoy getting fabric, and I always enjoy and appreciate getting patterns. So I don't know if I'll live long enough to actually get to do all the patterns that I already have, but it's always fun to get new ones, especially when they're a project like this. I actually have a project drawer um, in the other room because it wouldn't fit in the design studio that I keep these type of things in. So sometimes when I'm like, gosh, I just wish I had a simple little project to work on, I can go grab something like this to do it. And I love the fact that this is hearts, but it's also that spring colors in that. So I think that's really cool. And for day 12, Lynn valued this at $10. So that's pretty cheap when you think about the fact that you get a mini charm pack and the pattern with it. Most patterns nowadays are a minimum of $5 and some want 10. And I think the charm packs usually do, mini charm packs do run about $3, $2. It just depends. So overall, great quality, great value. I'm excited to see what we can make out of it. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here. Please hit that thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.